Today we're here at the Erickson Alumni Center for two reasons. We're here with the Morgantown Area Partnership for their monthly business after hours. Today it just happens to be coinciding with the celebration of this year's class of 2026 of Leadership Monongalia.
Leadership Mon is a program where we identify, develop, and sustain our community leaders. We select 20 people from our community to go through a 9-month program to expose them to knowledge and experiences in a multitude of different industries, from higher education to K through 12, government and media, social services, healthcare, and that's just to name a few. And that helps them identify challenges that we have in the community, but also it provides a way for them to see opportunities to help them grow and really give back and serve their community. We are looking for people who really want to turn their compassion for community into service and action. Anyone who wants to learn more about our community and really give back and serve. Someone who wants to be more involved and engaged in our community. That's the person we're looking for. Everyone's a leader in their life. Everyone leads in one way or another every single day. And it goes back to, you don't have to have a special title to be a leader. There's a lot of different leadership skills and talents and traits that someone exhibits, and we help bring that out in people. We are open to application right now, and the application deadline is August 1st. You can find our application at leadershipmon.org. Complete the application like you're filling out your job application, because this 9-month program really helps you develop your network and your connections and your relationships, and the relationships truly last a lifetime.